groundhog and his shadow are a very famous pair. They forecast the weather together, a trick that is rare. The one little thing that bothers me when out of doors I go. Now does my shadow mean springtime or 16 feet of snow? Never know which, I just can't remember. Will it be warm or make like December? The whole thing just confuses me, and that is why I sing. A groundhog shadow just doesn't mean a thing.
Flash, we interrupt this program for an important announcement. Today is Groundhog Day. Anxiously, people have congregated outside his home to witness Grover Groundhog's first appearance of the season. The big question being, will he come out with or without his shadow?
Bye, public. Ta-da! This meat shortage is sure tough on us animals. Missed me. One side. It's shadow boxing. This way, no one gets hurt.